okay. And if you're happy, I'm happy. That's all okay. All looking good. Yep. Strawberry traffic, Golf Lima Tango, Foxtrot Bravo taking off runway 26, strawberry traffic. Smoothly apply full power. Airspeed is increasing. Wow, feel it. 50, 60, 65. I'm not going to climb too quick. I don't want to slide that and get flipped. All right, rudder.
We're going round that way.
I'll go straight out, turn left.
Just worried about, okay, just
Well,
go back glider.
Then they're not out at the moment.
He was on the deck.
Oh, I thought they put it away. I will go straight out then. T's and P's are okay. Suction is good. Revs are good. Amps are good. Indicator is still honest. 600 feet. Start turning. He's not there.
Are we staying at 2,000 or are you going to try?
I'd like to get to 2.5 if we can.
Okay.
I thought it might be a little less buffety up here, but still gusting well, so let's start leveling out here because that cloud ahead's not that high.
Are we going to come through their mats or are we going to go around it?
We're going to miss it, dodge the corner of it.
Okay.
On Finland. Tell you what, you wouldn't want to be flying in these conditions on your own. I mean, just to look down and find out what Finland is and dial it in.
Yeah. Yeah, you want your hands on the camera on the wheels. There's a stranger on there. 119.2. Yeah.
Yep. Drive again.
Context Visa, good morning. Golf Lima Tango Foxtrot Bravo, requesting a basic service. Right, what we're going to do is we're going to call into Coningsby, which is just there, bang on their door, and say, look, this is what I want.
Golf Lima Tango Foxtrot Bravo, Columbia Zone, Columbia Large is currently closed. Contact Wellington 119.5.
Thank you very much, sir. We'll contact Wellington, Golf Foxtrot Bravo.
helps them look very friendly.
Right, let's see if I can get hold of Fenderland. Fenland Radio, good morning. Golf Lima Tango Foxtrot Bravo. Requesting airfield information. Alright, Fenland's closing.
What have you got for Finland?
122, then 925.
122,925. Yep.
Fenland Radio, good morning. Golf Lima Tango Foxtrot Bravo. Requesting airfield information. Fenland Radio, will you please wake up? You're keeping Big Kev waiting. Otherwise, move.
Well, that's a bit disappointing. What do?
You go round, have a good look,
Go round in this wind.
and make some calls.
We're only 8 miles away, but
Just join them.
got rain. Right,
Let's head back.
let's head back. Good decision. Took the thought out of my, or thought off my lips, so to speak. It's a bit smoother.
That was a good decision, I think, getting out of that.
Yeah, it's sunnier up that way when we're
Yeah,
going.
and we probably would have. I don't know what we would have done, but
Right.
yeah, it's definitely a band of shite weather.
Fuel pump on. And change tank. Left tank. Fuel pump off.
So is your intent to come in from the way we're going now? Okay.
Just come round the turbines.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not going to get too close to the turbines. Not with this wind. Tell you what, I'm going to go out towards Maplethorpe. I'm going to go to the other side of that mast,
Oh yeah.
so that we can turn into the wind and be well into the wind rather than trying to manoeuvre around those turbines at the same time as getting into wind. Feel that?
That was a kick.
Yeah.
Get ready on that rudder.
Yeah. We'll be alright once we're turned into wind. It's just the direction we're heading that's causing the problem. Right, so round that, cut the corner of the turbines.
You got the mast?
Yep. Yeah, we're alright. Yes, I know about the danger area.
Traffic traffic, Foxtrot Bravo joining. Left base for long final 26, traffic traffic.
Okay, the mast is on my left. Clear of the mast. Try and keep it turned into the wind so as not to let the wind get under that wing. It's alright. Clear of the turbines.
Nice day over there.
Let's go there.
Well, that's your Wickenby way. I think you just want to get down there, don't you?
Yes, I do.
Okay, let's do that.
Alright. direction has changed a bit. Land with 2 stages of flaps. Carby goes in. Power off. Well, we're safely home.
Never in doubt.
I don't know. It didn't take much runway, did it?
Easy. I thought you were going for the grass at one stage.